The gap task is a useful feature in Reactored. You can create a new gap task and instantly add the task description as well as a sentence or passage. From here, you can easily add in or choose which words that you want your students to fill in the blanks with. You can also choose if students have to write their answers or if they can complete it as a multiple choice question. Let's look at some examples. Here is a passage that has been created previously. Questions have been created by clicking on the words to create gaps. By providing multiple choices, you can turn the question into a multiple choice question. When there are multiple options for a question, you can select whether the answers are correct or wrong. You can also add hints for each question. You can always edit the task by clicking on this icon here on the left. You can also add audio files to the task, or you can delete the task. Here is a gap task example with only sentences. You can always click on New Task to add more sentences. Click on the icon on the left to edit the task. When you're ready, just click Save. Similarly, click on Words to create new gaps for students to fill in. You can always remove options by clicking on the minus icons. The gap task in Reactored provides you many ways to test your students' abilities.